Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the tape mechanism and removing obvious obstructions. If the blade is bent or twisted, you will spot it now. Pry out debris with a screwdriver. Once done, secure the housing, hold it so the spring won't snap. Make sure to keep the end hook stable while you inspect the retraction path. You need pliers for any stuck screws and a small amount of lubricant. These first steps let you work safely and prevent further damage to the blade. You extend the blade until it stops and examine the jam location. Then, carefully open the housing, unscrew only as far as necessary so the spring remains contained. Once the spool is visible, hold the blade and gently pull to relieve tension. This prevents sudden spring release. You will then realign any kinks with steady, controlled bends and remove lodged dirt or metal shavings. Make sure to clean the spool groove before reassembly. You now wind the blade back onto the spool by hand, guiding the edges into the groove to prevent cross-wrapping. Once seated, close the housing and tighten screws evenly. Do not over-tighten because that can bind the spool. Then test retraction through several cycles, listening for smooth movement. If it still hesitates, apply a drop of lubricant to the spool shaft and spring coil, wipe excess, and repeat testing. If the blade remains stuck despite these steps, consider replacing the spring or the entire tape to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.